It was not fair. I mean, today, of all days, 57 of the most beautiful women in the country walked by, I don't want to be stereotypical, by construction workers? Is that?
They had to walk in heels through all of this to get to our studio. So thank you, number one, for doing that.
I thought but the guys were all good, right? There was no cat calls, and they were just waved.
They wouldn't be able to hear it anyway with the construction.
It was quite the scene. Honestly, I took these. I rushed out there with my iPhone. Take a look at this. This was them. Like, look at this. Did you guys Did you guys shudder when you saw the construction?
Yeah. Poise and posture as you're going through the construction site.
And some of them are wearing their steel-toed shoes. Here's my favorite shot coming up, right here. Hi.
That's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah, in the heels. There you have it. That's talent. That is talent.
Well, thanks for joining us here this morning, and good luck this weekend.
Have fun.
I think you're all winners. It is 8 o'clock. This is Breakfast Television.